To link a button to another page in WordPress using Elementor, follow these simple steps. Open Elementor editor. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the page where you want to add the button or create a new page. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Add the button widget. In the Elementor editor, find the button widget in the left panel. Drag the button widget to the section or column where you want it on the page. Configure button settings. Click on the button to edit it. In the Content tab on the left panel, you will see the option to edit the button's text. Link the button to another page. Below the button text, there's a field labeled Link. In this field, you can add the URL of the page you want to link to. For example, to link to another page on your site, type page name. To link to an external website, input the full URL. Save and preview. After adding the link, click Update to save your changes. You can preview the button by clicking the Preview Changes button.